everyone, see you guys again. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this Chanel top handle quilted vanity handbag. At first I thought it's gonna be so hard, but actually it's not. It's super easy. I made this pattern. You guys can download the pattern down below my video. I attached the link so you can download there. And also I would like to show you where I get this handle like Chanel, but it's not. This is hardware. I got it from online fashion resource, and this handle is so great. This metal and it's so great. It's just like vintage gold color, which I really like. And then also you can see this one, you can attach your strap, and also the zipper. I would like to let you know you can get it from Joanne or anywhere you like. This zipper you have to make sure it's two side. You can go two side, and then you put this little hardware to change this little hardware. And this one, I don't know how to say that. And you can change that and then put on the zipper, so you can go like face to face to zip up. So I'm gonna show you what is that going to look like inside. I use this pattern lining, which is better. I think it's beautiful, right? And this mini handbag definitely can fit iPhone Plus even, or Max, whatever. So it's much better than the original Chanel. I decided to enlarge the size because I realized that I really want to wear it and wanted to know, put my phone inside, so I don't need to carry my phone around. And however, the Chanel one, I don't know why they don't have, you can fit the phone. That's too sad. So I also didn't see they don't have the green color, which I really wanted this green color of this handbag, the Chanel Quilted Vanity handbag. They don't have a green color, they just have a pink or white or beige and black, but definitely this pink is so great. So the quilted area is just like a normal quilted pattern, whatever you made. I think the most challenging part, which is attach the lining with your outside material. So basically it's like this. So let's go ahead to make our top handle Chanel Quilted Vanity handbag. Leather as the outside part, cotton, zipper, something also the very beautiful pieces. I also want to say I use the length 4, and then I select the tension about 4. is my quilting piece. So now I finished to apply some glue on the hard part, on the bottom and the top. So and this one, apply glue and then put it inside here. That's all about it. There you go. So I'm applying this on the top, and I use this glue, rubber cement. So I'm going to wait this dry for like 5 or 10 minutes. Actually, this one always dry like needed to really dry. Needed to wait 24 hours, but it's enough time for you to make the handbags. Okay. So after waiting, and also I do another 2 hole here, as because the pad on the bottom block the hole. So the next part, I'm going to attach my hardware. So make sure this round one face outward. And when you do first one inside, please don't do all the way in, because you probably want to adjust a little bit. Another one. So once you do another one inside, you can do very tight. Once you make sure everything is lined up, yeah, it looks like it. Okay, this is my final look after I applied my hardware on my handbag top part. And this is the back part, and this is the front. Everything looks good. Now I'm going to turn around and then sew on the top edge, top stitch. Also, I want to mention, if you think this one is kind of like a bulky, you can cut, just like a fabric, cut a little bit. So make it like not so bulky. And then I'm going to turn around. And I also can cut a little bit extra if you don't like it. All right, let's see. Oh my god. Scary part. It's always have some issue when you turn around. Hopefully nothing happened. Wow. For me, so far, it seems so good. I don't see any issue yet. After I sew this one, I hope everything will be great. Middle connecting part, bottom part, and the body part, and the body part. However, I'm missing the top part. Here we go. I finished the bottom piece, top piece, and this is finished. However, you have to remember, when you install this lining in your handbag, you need to flip over like this. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Here you go. Yeah. There you go. I changed the 2 zipper.
become my similar like a Chanel logo. Okay, so I finished this part. I'm going to sew my lining, the leader part. I need to connect both right now. Okay, I'm going to sew this part too. Okay, awesome. I finished the lining, connected this back face me, and this part put here, the back side of the back part of the zipper, because I'm not so sure how many zipper, how long I really need this. Looks right? However, this top piece, so the inside lining we finish it. Alright, so hold on the surface. Use this, and then you can do the hole. So we are going to be like this. Put the second one. Then you use the first one, the top one, go back the same hole here. Go back the same hole. Then tie them up. So you get your first hand stitch. And now I'm going to machine stitch around this part. I thought I need a hand stitch, but it seems like I don't need it. I got the most in here. In this inside part, we are going to put all of them together and then sew. I'm not so sure if I place the clipper to clips everything all the way around. Okay. I probably will just ending here, and then I will see what is the next part I should do. I will just do from here all the way around here, and then I probably really need to hand stitch the back part. Honestly, I just feel it would be so hard for me if I use so I clip all the way around right now, and it seems good.